In the Heart of the Word. Reflections by Father Joseph Mary, SCTJM, on the daily readings from the Holy Mass. Friday of the second week of Ordinary Time. From the mountain we are sent.
God bless you, dear family. Today in the Heart of the Word, Jesus goes up the mountain to pray. He summons those whom he desires, and they come to him. Then he appoints 12, naming them apostles, so that they might be with him and he might send them. My brothers and sisters, Jesus ascends the mountain to be with his Father. In communion with the heart of the Father, Jesus opens his heart to us and calls us from the mountain, crucified and risen at the right hand of the Father. He desires each of us to go up the mountain to be with him so that he can send us. In today's gospel, we have witnessed the fundamental dynamism of the spiritual life. Our hearts must be filled with Christ, and nothing can substitute being with him, being before his Eucharistic heart. It is so important for us to make time each day, even just 5 minutes, to open our hearts to him so that his heart can fill us with all that he desires to give us. My brothers and sisters, through him, with him, and in him, for the glory of God the Father, we are sent from prayer to mission. And that is our path of holiness. Let us listen to these words of Mother Adela. Holiness and mission will be the oars the Church will use to go out into the deep, to shine in the world, and to open new paths to encounter the restless hearts of humanity. All for the heart of Jesus, through the heart of Mary.